Page 96, question 3. Discover graphics, transformation geometry, central symmetry again. And we have a like button and our central point O. So we get this set up, and I suppose at this point you should know if all the points of the logo are going to move to O and out the far side, the image is going to go from the left-hand side of O to the right-hand side of O. Nothing is going to move left, nothing is going to move up or down. It's all going to move to the right. So we can set this image up on the left-hand side of the page, following the measurements that are there. So there's the measurements if you need to jot them down, but hopefully you have the questions up to you. So total height of this shape is 40 and 20 is 60. So we need it to be about 60. I'm going to use up most of the page. Light line across the page to do. It's not an XY line, it's just a light line. I'm going to put in all my divisions along the bottom of it. So we're going to start there, and we have 10, 5, 30, 10, 10. Thirty-five, 40, and 20. So there's point O. And what we have here is then every point goes through O and out the far side. So again, leave down your t-square, you're not going to need it. We have a lot of points happening here now, guys, so we might just start with the rectangle here, call them A, B, C, and D. Just to split it up, we'll just do the two separately. So A goes through O, knock out the far side. B, through O, out the far side. C, through O, out the far side. And D, through O, and out the far side. Compass, measure the distance from O back to each point. Now let's start with A. Now, there's A. When we swing it around, we have two lines very close. So I'm actually going to mark across both of them. Which one is correct? Well, you need to track it through. A is the higher of the two lines here. It's higher up, which means it's the lower down one over here. So this is A1. Very important to get that correct. To B. O, measure back to B. Alternatively, we can swing it around. B is the lower of the two lines, which means it's the higher of the two lines. So we can just mark B on the higher line. So two methods to do it there. But you've got to make sure you're correct and follow the correct line. C, C1, back to D, D1. C to B should be horizontal. And it is. A to D should be horizontal. And it is. These should be vertical. And there. So there's a rectangle. Move on. Do each point of the thumb. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. 9 points. Break it up if you want to 1 to 5. 1 goes through O. And off out here somewhere. 2 goes through O. 3, 4, and 5. Now, 3 and 5 are almost identical lines, so we're going to have to take care of that when we're looking for the distances. O to 1. Join them up.